Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a badge to your Wix website. This is a great way to showcase certifications, achievements, or branding elements that can make your site look more professional and trustworthy. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will take you to the section where you can manage all your website settings and configurations. From here, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add your badge. If you manage multiple sites, this step ensures you're working on the right one. On this page, locate the Edit Site button, which you'll typically find on the top part of your screen beside a pen icon. Click on it to proceed. This button is your gateway to making any visual or structural changes to your website. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the design magic happens. Before we dive into adding the badge, start by preparing the badge you wish to add. It can be an image file or an embeddable element. For this tutorial, we'll cover badge creation from Canva, which gives you full creative control over the design. Start by opening a new tab in your browser and type in canva.com. Log in to your account if you haven't already. From the Canva dashboard, click on the Create button located on the left navigation menu. A Create Design window will appear. Locate the search bar and type in Badge. Look for the badge logo from the results and click on it. A badge design window will now appear, and from here you can start designing the badge you wish to add to your website. Customize it with colors, text, icons, and any branding elements that fit your needs. Once you're done designing your badge, we have two options for adding it to your website. We can add it as an image or embed it. For this tutorial, we'll use the embed option, which keeps the badge dynamic and easy to update. Now, on the top right corner of your badge design screen, click on Share. You'll see several options for sharing the badge you've just created. Click on the three dot or the See All button to view more sharing methods. Locate the Embed option or use the search bar and type in Embed, then click on it. After clicking on Embed, copy the HTML embed code that appears. This code is what connects your Canva badge to your Wix website. Once you've copied the embed code, head back to your Wix website designer page. From here, click on the Add Element button on the left navigation menu. The menu will expand and you'll want to look for the Embed Code option. You'll see an Embed HTML option. Click on the plus button to add it to your website. Once added, a code editor window will appear. Paste the embed code from Canva into this window to add your badge to your website and then click on Update. The badge should now appear on your site exactly where you placed it. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom badge to your Wix website, giving it a more polished and professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.